So just a few days ago, I have made a video on how you can edit a photo using only prompting in Google AI Studio. And not long after that, Grok from XAI just launched the same feature, and now you can edit a picture using Grok. And of course, the way you edit a picture is by prompting the AI. This is just one example that someone made, and he's just changing the t-shirt into something that look more formal, and I think that looks very interesting. I have done some testing, and I gotta say, in many ways it's a bit better than Google AI Studio. So if you want to use this AI tool, let me show you how you can use it. First, of course, you have to navigate to x.com or Twitter, and you have to click this Grok menu. And after that, you will see that this is the interface of Grok. If you want to edit an image, you can click on this button, and then later you have to select the image that you want to edit. Okay, I have this picture of a woman with blonde hair, and my goal here is that I want to change her hair to red. So I'm going to ask AI to please change the hair to red. Alright, let's send the message and just wait for Grok to turn this woman's hair from gold or blonde into red. Now, I don't know what AI model that it is using, but I do have suspicion that it is using the Flux model, because that's the model that Grok is actually using. And now what's interesting is that we can see multiple results at the same time, and that we can compare which picture look the best. So that's the benefit that we have compared to Google AI Studio, which usually can only show one picture at a time, but on Grok you have two different generations at the same time. I think they look great. I would say this, I mean, when it comes to color, this one is a bit better, but maybe it's adding some sort of filter, so her brightness just increased and it just doesn't look natural anymore. I would say the original picture with this lighting is a lot better, and that's why I think this picture is definitely the winner here. And of course, after this, you can download the image, you can save, or sorry, you can copy it. You can also post an image to your account, and you have this button that says edit, which means Grok knows really well that this feature is indeed for photo editing. Now, let me do something else, like please add a necklace. Let's send the message and just wait for Grok to edit this image again. And by the way, while still generating the image, I just want to show you this example where I sent a photo of a couple taking a selfie in Paris in this tower, and then there are a lot of people in the background, and I asked AI to remove them, and this is the result. There's this one that has more pattern on the floor, but this one doesn't have, basically almost invisible. So yeah, that's quite interesting that it is modifying the image a bit more, but I would say this result looks a lot better than even the original picture. So I think, in my opinion, that looks better. Now let's go back to this picture, and there you go. And since it created two images, you can always compare, and then you can choose which picture actually looks the best. In this case, this one is definitely more accurate because the necklace actually makes sense, while the other one only showing the half of the necklace. But regardless, I think this is an amazing feature that Grok has, and I do believe that in the future, photo editing is going to be prominent in a lot of AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini. But yeah, anyway, if you find this video to be interesting or useful, feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I'm planning to make more videos about amazing or powerful AI tools that you can use right away. In any case, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.